Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the paper feed roller, the pickup roller, and the separation pad on HP Laserjet P2055 model. First I will show you how to replace the paper feed roller. Remove the paper tray and I will rotate it to show you. This is our paper feed roller. It needs to be replaced with a small flat screwdriver. Look, this white handle here. Release it to the right and rotate. Rotate here until this handle goes down. And now we will be able to release the paper feed roller and take it out. Now take this rollers from the old and put them on the new one, then in a reverse order. Put from the left, then push to the right and rotate this part so the handle to be in its original place. And that's it. We have replaced the paper feed roller. Now I will show you how to replace the separation pad. This is our separation pad. How to replace it? It's very easy. Just unscrew the two screws which hold it. Lift it up, place the new one here, screw back the screws, and that's it. We have new separation pad. Thank you very much. Good luck.